Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. So we're here for another unboxing, and I already opened it. It's just that it's very hard to open it sometimes, and it takes time. But yeah, these coins I received few days back. But yeah, this one are nice coins. So we'll open this one first. I bought this one for just a few dollars. This lot, and they just send it combined with the other ones. The other ones doesn't doesn't uh, doesn't have high prices as well. So I offered the seller, and luckily it was given to me. So see, it takes time. How to open this one easy? Oh, here we go. But I think it's worth the wait. So see, these are German coins. See, I think around, I don't know how many. It's a lot of them. 15, 16. So we'll okay. Start off with this one. This is 1935 D. 1935 D. Just forgot to which mint that was. But here we go. Oh, make it more larger. Oh, here we go. So it's too large, is it? There we go. So it's a 10 penny or rich penny from the German Empire. From the German Empire, yes. 1935. So that's the beginning of the war, I think, or World War II. And this one is a 5 rich penny, and it also have a mint mark D. I just forgot what is D. Munich. I'm not sure. But this one is 1925, and this one is an old one. It's a 5 penny from 1900. Nice coin. This one 10 penny from 1917. I don't see the mint mark about this one. Oh, it's very small to see the mint mark. This is another 1917 10 penny from the German Empire, or Germany. 1917 is what, World War I think. And this one 10 penny. Wow, this one is old, from 1875. You can see. Oh, it have I think the mint mark will be down there. It's letter E. I just don't know which one, because they have I think they have a lot of mints in Germany. I know for fact A is Berlin. So this one is 1907. 2 penny. Wow, old one. So this one is oops, 5 penny from 1917. I think this one is okay, this one is 1918. Good to have varieties like the year, different years. This one is a 50 penny. I don't know if it's silver though. I think it's an old one from 1876. Very old one, and it was once upon a time a pendant, as you can see the hole on top. So even German collectors make their coins as a pendant. So this one, it's another 1917 5 penny. This one, 1874. Wow, okay, we have 1874, 1875, 1876 5 penny. Nice. This one, it's a bit. This one is a bit worn. 10 penny from 1875. Very hard to to read the thing. This one. So this one, I need my magnifying glass to look at the mint mark for these coins. They're very small. 10 penny from 1916. Wow, nice. So World War One, coins, and this one is nice condition. 1875 10 penny. I just bought it for like a what, $7-8 I think, for the whole for this whole lot, for the not the whole lot as in the German Empire coins to be exact. So this one have a different design, as you can see the edge. So it's 1903 10 penny. I put this on the last because this is a World War II coin, and it's a 50 penny. You can see the A below. That means it's minted in Berlin, and it's from World War II, 1941. Wow. The composition is zinc. It's very light. It's probably well because they use metals as a for the war machines, or they use it on other things. So the coin or the one they use the lighter ones, the lighter materials or metals. So this is 1935. Also minted in Berlin, 50 penny. So this one doesn't have the Nazi swastika. I think the start of the swastika in coins are 36. So this is a unique one, 1935. And now we go with these ones. So this one is a coin from Muscat and Oman from 1897. Here we go. And its value is 1 Port Ana. Nice one. I think I already have one or two of this, but I just forgot the year though. So this one is 1897, 1 Port Ana. I think the composition is copper. Here we go. Yep, I just don't understand the writings though. And this one is this is a Russian coin. It is let me sort out my lighting. Here we go. I think it's more better. So this one is a 1 copy coin from 1903. 1903. 1 kopek from the Russian Empire, and it is from the reign of Tsar Nicholas II, the last Tsar. So a nice one, nice addition. And the last one here is a British coin. You can see here the portrait of Queen Victoria. It's a young Queen Victoria portrait, and it is from 1840. It's composed of silver. This one, its value is 4 pence. 1846. Sorry. So you can see here the seated Britannia and the value 4 pence. It's a silver coin, and they don't made a lot of this, so lucky to have one. Nice coins. So here we go. Here we go. These are my collection for this week. So German Empire, Muscat and Oman, Russia, and United Kingdom. So I hope you like the coins. I'm sorry for the lightings, because if you see my setup, you just probably laugh because it's very primitive. And so yeah, please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on the notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins and stamps. Thank you. I hope you all have a good day.